Hi friends, Christine here with Essentially Styled. I am glad to be here today and we are going to do a bobby pin tutorial that will blow your mind. It is so secure and so simple. I'm so excited to share it with you. But first, be sure and subscribe and give the video a like if you'd like to see more of this content. And if there's something that you'd like to see me attempt or demonstrate, whether it's using Little Rose products or not, let me know. I will give it a shot. And I really want this content to be helpful to you and to get the most out of your products and just to have healthier hair. So like I said, we are going to be talking about a bobby pin tutorial, and I'm going to be using two bobbies. These are our black diamond bobbies, and I just love them the way they catch the light. They're deeply faceted so that they really do shine and catch the light. I'm going to be using two. Really, you'll see that one can hold this style, and I'm going to set these back here, and I'm starting with our hairband in. Now this is our buffalo plaid hairband that I just love. It's so soft and comfortable. It's got kind of a, almost like a foam, real thin foam cushion. It is weightless. Now the thing about our hairbands that make them unique is the fact that they have the elastic attachment. So they're not going to roll off your head. They're super comfortable. You'll forget they're even on. So, but while I'm doing this, since I'm going to be putting my hair up and I don't want that band to show, I'm going to show you a little trick I do with our hair bands. You can get the band or the elastic to match the color of your hair, but I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to rake out a thin layer of hair. Okay, it doesn't have to be much. And I'm going to rake that out below that band. Okay, that's all there is to it. Then when I put my hair up, you're going to see that band pretty much disappears. Okay, so that's trick number one. So I'm going to start with a ponytail to put this in. Now I'm going to leave some down in front because I want bangs. Sometimes I'll pull them out at the end, but sometimes it can disrupt the rest of it depending on how I pull it back. So I am going to leave out a little bit, probably not that much, bangs. Okay, and that's going to, I've pulled some forward in front of that hairband, so now this is going to bring that around and cover up any of that metal where the elastic band attaches. So I'm going to cover that up. Now I'm going to go under, make sure I scoop all that hair up so that hair is going to cover the band. Now I'm just going to do a loose bun. Okay, I'm keeping it kind of loosely wrapped. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and flip it up, and I'm going to try and create a little pocket here. And the thing I like about this style is that it looks different every time I do it. It depends on where you grab the hair, how tight you get the twist, so you can get a different look. But you can see how the hair, when I flipped it, is kind of rolling around that hairband, okay, on both sides. Now I'm going to take the bobby. I'm not going to open it up, which is kind of a neat. I'm going to, so that you're not going to jeopardize the integrity of the bobby. You're just going to scoop some of that hair. It's gone in, just needs a little bit of hair to secure it. I'm going to go up, touch my scalp, flip it over, and push it in. Now you can see that holds it already. I mean, it holds so securely. But I am going to I'm going to feel where that one is. Where do I think I want the other one? I don't know which side. I think I'm going to go on this side. I'm going to catch a little bit more hair, go up, flip it over, and just push that in, like so. And then I can come back, and if I need to, I can pull. If it's really tight against your head, you can loosen that up. You can pull this out. You can, if this needs down, and I don't have a mirror to see, but if anything, you can kind of pull and tug, and it's still so secure. If you can see that, to make sure that that's covered. So simple. So with just really one bobby pin, but I've used two, and you can coordinate bobby pins. Lila Rose has some amazing bobby pins. We just came out with some new ones. But you can coordinate. If you don't want them to be matching, you can coordinate. You can coordinate it with a hairband, or you can just do it by yourself. Now, these can be done with U-pins and flexies, and I'll probably be trying to do that as well, but I did want to highlight that this is so simple. You can do it with bobby pins. And if you do it with ones that don't have the embellishment, they don't have to be seen. You can pick bobby pins that match your hair a little bit more, and then you just get that really pretty rolled look without having anything really blingy in your hair. So I hope this helps. I hope you give it a try. Like I said, be sure and like and comment below if this was helpful, or if there is something that you would like to see me demonstrate or give an attempt to. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.